Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to show you how we can install a Datadog agent on a Ubuntu server. As you will can see, it will be very easy. The first thing I want to show you the three small steps you can we have to do in order to install the Datadog agent on our Ubuntu server. So the first thing here I have prepared the command, and here as you can see the first command I want just to export the variable environment in order to give the version 7 of the Datadog agent. So with 7 here I want to install the 7th version of the Datadog agent. Then I want to export the second environment variable, and here I want to install the Datadog API key as here the key, and then as the last step I want to use bash command to install the script, and this script is on the internet, so I want to use the command curl to download the script on my Ubuntu server. So the first thing I want to do, I want to export the first environment variable. So to do it, I want to type export command, then the key value pair here. Then the second one, I want to type another export command with the environment variable here, dd underscore API underscore key, and then the value of the key. Then I press enter. And the last command here, I want to just copy all the line here and paste it here. So the script is called install underscore script point sh. Now I want to download the script, and the script will install the Datadog on my Ubuntu server. So I want to press enter now. Here you are. As you can see, the apt now used apt package is used by Ubuntu in yes, installing the agent Datadog. So now it's unpacking the package Datadog. And now here you are, as you can see on green, your agent is running and functioning properly. So just to verify that the Datadog is correctly installed on my server, I want to type the systemctl status and then Datadog minus agent. And now as you can see here, it's active and running. So the last thing I want to show you, in order to configure the Datadog agent, just you have to go to the cd/etc/datadog and then ls, and here you are. Here is the datadog.yaml, and in this file you can modify the API key in order to change the configuration of the Datadog agent. So that's it for this video. Hope this video it was clear for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.